shit!
Twitter?
Twitter's down! Oh! Holy mother of God! Jason! Hey, Jason, hey! This is Steve. What's up, man? But Twitter's down! Yeah! Twitter's down! It's not working! How am I supposed to post any tweets if this site's not even working? Oh, gosh. I'm freaking out, man! I'm freaking out! Someone's gotta fix this! Someone's gotta fix this problem! Ah!
Don't die, just hang on!
It's back up! Twitter's back up! Yes!
Oh, it's back. Good. Twitter.
No. Please put the gun down. I had to defend myself. But now I'm trying to help you, so please just get in the cage. I'm gonna take you to the vet. So. No, please, don't! I still got an hour left! This isn't possible. This just isn't possible. Come on. Nobody believes this shit. Come on. Somebody has to follow me.